Welcome to Shared Regulatory Services. I'm Christina Hill, Head of SRS. We have an exciting opportunity to join our senior management team. We are recruiting an operational manager for health and public protection. You will be an excellent leader who is enthusiastic and energetic, with a strong commitment to achieve regulatory excellence and delivering first-class services, while responding to the unique needs of each community. We are seeking a qualified senior manager in regulatory services with demonstrable vocational experience to lead our teams of environmental health and trading standards officers. Since its creation in 2015, the partnership has provided modernised regulatory services for nearly 670,000 residents and thousands of businesses. Hosted by the Rheoli Council, the SRS partnership delivers environmental health, trading standards and licensing functions across the 3-council region in a bold model of regional collaboration. If you are interested in applying, please visit the Rheoli Council website. The closing date is the 2nd of June 2026, and I look forward to hearing from you. If you would like to be a part of Team SRS, apply now.